Welcome to the instructions video for the Production Rate Units Hour Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate manufacturing production rates, determine cycle times, and plan production capacity. Whether you're managing a factory floor or planning production schedules, this calculator makes it easy to optimize your output. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter your production data into the input fields. Start by entering the total number of units produced in the units field. Next, input the total time period, which can be entered in hours or converted from your shift duration. For example, let's enter 480 units produced over an 8-hour shift. You can also work backwards by entering your cycle time per unit in seconds, if that's how you track production. The calculator will then compute your units per hour rate, helping you understand your current throughput and identify opportunities for improvement in your production line. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out to find more tools for your manufacturing and engineering needs.